Hola, Farmsteaders.
Hola.
We are Mac.
And Jose.
And we are the Yooper Farmsteaders.
Yes.
I hate to break it to you, but we are back behind the table for another very boring budget video. Are you ready for that, Jose?
What?
Are you expecting something?
Yes.
What?
A lot of things.
What is it?
I have delivery for Jose.
Come in. Just drop him at the door. I don't have anything for a tip. Let me check my purse. Jose, what do we have here?
Do you want to see what happened?
I do want to see what you ordered. This is our first ever official unboxing.
Oh, yeah.
On the Yooper farmstead. I'm so excited. This is one of the things we really struggled with until our friend introduced us to dripdepot.com. Yeah. So what is in these two boxes, this one and the one on the floor, is all of our drip system and our new Wobble Heads. I'm very excited. Are you ready to open it up and see?
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay.
All right. So let's do this.
But first, thanks again, Uncle Harry.
Wow.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Open it up. Get her open. Careful!
This your side.
Uh-huh,
Okay.
So one of the things we really liked about dripdepot.com was they had pre-set up kits that you could customize.
Yeah.
So you got all the parts you needed, they showed you exactly what you needed, and you could just customize the lengths, you could customize how often you wanted the holes for the drip tape. It was incredible.
Wow, candies! Wow!
Now that is good customer service right
Wow.
there. Thank you, dripdepot.com. Do you want the chocolate one or the blueberry one?
I don't know. Let me see what happened. They say thank you.
And they gave us candy. That's all that matters. Okay, so one of the things I have found through this entire COVID thing is that some companies have done amazing, and they are getting stuff shipped out so quickly.
Yeah.
You kill me. And some companies are doing not as well. So today I had to email a company that we ordered stuff back in the beginning of December and we still don't have.
No.
Like, how are you charging and billing my credit card when you're not going to deliver what I ordered? But this company, dripdepot.com, we literally ordered last week. And it arrived last week. Was it? Yeah, it arrived last week. So it's been sitting in the garage just waiting for its unboxing. And here it is. All right, Jose, are you ready? Which
I'm
one
ready.
of those are you going to eat?
Let me see.
Chocolate or blueberry? Oh, okay. All right, we have to wait? Okay, yeah. I'll wait. Behind the scenes. Okay, so we have our invoice here. It cost us total $413.27 with tax. And we got everything we need for both of the hoop houses and 12 wobble heads. All right, let's do it. Oh, yay, hose!
Wow.
Okay. So what do we have here?
This is for sprinklers.
Yeah, this is for the drip system. Let's just take it all out. So this is drip system. We'll get the box off the table. Those are all the pieces for the drip system.
Yep. Okay.
And then this is the hosing for the drip system.
Yeah.
All right. Goodbye, box.
Goodbye.
Here, I'll put it over here.
Somebody is happy now.
Oh yeah, the cats will be happy. All right, box number 2. Where's the knife?
Okay. It's here.
All right, let's go.
Let's move this. So.
This should have the wobble heads in it then. Ding, ding, ding. Look out, look out. We don't want to hurt anybody.
Dun.
Watch yourself, Jose. Away from yourself, towards other people.
Oh. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is just the drip tape. 1.
2.
No
Okay.
wobble heads?
No. No candies.
No wobble heads. Where are the wobble heads?
Maybe here, no?
Might be. Oh yeah, they're in here. Wow. Okay, so we got 2 big rolls of drip tape.
Yep.
How many feet is this?
This is
Spacing every 18 inches. And it is 1,000 feet.
wow.
So what we need for our hoop houses is 800 feet per bed because we're going to run 2 strips in most of them. And so that we had to get 1,000 feet. We got it ×2, 1 for each hoop house. And then we got 2 of these hoses, which came with the kits. We probably didn't need that much. But now the next time we'll know better. We really like these kits though. Okay, so you want to open up yours first or mine first? Okay. So in here, let's see what these are. Oh, I can't read without my glasses. Where are those things? Okay, this is super exciting. These are adapters. So this is what attaches your drip tape into these hoses. So we should have 20 of these.
Yep.
Are these them too? No, those
No,
are
this
different.
is not. I think this is the ending. No,
Yeah.
this is not. Yeah, ending.
It's really confusing to unbox things while you're on camera. Yeah, are these are the oops, or yeah, these are the ends.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we got all these ends. What's this guy? Oh, this is the filter. So when you're running off of, say, your well, like we are, probably maybe even a regular, if you get anything in the system, it's going to clog up your drip tape. So you need to have a filter like this coming off of this hose off of this hose before it hits this drip tape. So that's what this filter is. And then what's this here? This is the
pressure
reducer, the pressure regulator. And the reason you need a pressure regulator is because the water coming out of the well pump is going to be way too strong for the drip tape. So you need a regulator that slows down the pressure of the water or the speed of the water to make your drip tape work correctly. Okay, and then there should be a backflow preventer somewhere in here. Let's see what else. These are all the end caps. Here are more of, these are the things to attach it. Another end cap. These are the wobble heads.
Wow.
So the water comes out here and this thing wobbles around like this as the water comes out.
Not like this, solamente aquí. Like a flower.
Yeah, but these things wobble. That's why they're called wobble heads.
Oh, okay.
So it makes the water go blah, 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 blah. Okay, I don't know. That's weird. But we ordered 12 of these, so there should be 12 of these. And we did not do any of the attachments because we figured we would just go over to like Home Depot or Menards or one of those places and pick up the attachments we needed to build our own. This is fancy. Oh, this is the tool to put the holes into this piping right here. What is this piping called? Poly tubing. This is the poly tubing. Okay, so this is the hole the tool to put the holes in the poly tubing. Then you poke Then you poke one of these into that hole, and then you attach your drip tape.
Ooh.
So many things to know about. Okay, so here are all of these. And those. Okay. So where is the... I feel like we can... This is
it.
Oops. Yeah, I think these are the oops things. Where's the... I can't read a thing. Tubing end, so it's just another one of these guys. It just looks different. Oh, this is the end for this tube.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, okay. So this is the end for the poly tubing. These are the ends for each of the drip lines. Wow.
Oh.
Well, that's a broken one now. All right, there's so much to learn here. All right.
I think it's
You
here.
think it's in there?
Yeah.
What do we got in there?
Maybe it's this?
Yeah, that's it. This is the vacuum breaker. So these are the backflow preventers that prevent the water from backflowing from your tubing into your well. This is a lot of stuff, Jose.
Yeah, that's funny.
It is. It's good stuff. And then there should be a bunch of caps. What are these?
I think it's for
These are the Goof Plugs. That is so funny. These are if you make a mistake and put a hole you shouldn't put. But on the internet, I thought they were a lot bigger, but they are just itty bitty tiny little things. So hopefully we don't make too many mistakes because we only have 8 or 9, 10. We only have the ability to make 10 oopses.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't make more than 10 oopses. It's our first try. Who in here wants to bet that we will make more than 10 oopses? Okay, so these are the amazing pieces we got from dripdepot.com. No, they're not giving us money. No, we won't get any money if you click the link below to check out dripdepot.com. Yeah. I think our channel is just too small at this point for anybody to care if you click on our link. But we do really like this company so far. The customer service, we didn't have to talk to anybody, but we placed the order and it showed up in a matter of just a couple of days. So I'm very impressed with that. During all of this, some things are very hard to get, and this was very simple. So really thank you to dripdepot.com.
Thank you.
It was so helpful.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, thank you for the suckers. It was... Sump pump. It's so nice to be working with a company that's doing that great of a job right now, and that the customer service is that good. The other thing that's really great about dripdepot.com is the fact that they have these pre-set up systems. Yep. So if you're like Jose and I, and you have no idea how to set up a sprinkler system or a drip system, they have all the pieces for you, and you can adjust it and make it yours.
They have videos, they have many things.
Yeah, it was great. Jose did spend a long time on their website figuring out how to do all of this, and they just made it super easy. So if you are in need of an irrigation system, I highly recommend you check out dripdepot.com.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, so Jose and I are small-scale farmers up here in the Upper Peninsula. So if you are a homesteader or a farmsteader, or you are all about self-sufficiency or like the UP,
yep,
we hope you'll subscribe to our channel.
If you have experience with this system.
Yes. We would love to hear about if you've ordered from these guys and what your thoughts are. We appreciate you watching. Thumbs us up if you thought this was a great video. Anyway, we are Mac
and Jose.
And we are the Yooper Farmsteaders.
Thank you.